Naresh and Sonali went to buy pencils and drawing sheets from their school's stationery shop. While Naresh bought 3 pencils and 4 drawing sheets for Rs 36, Sonali bought 6 pencils and 8 drawing sheets for Rs 72. Please represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. Let the cost of one pencil be denoted by Rs X, and the cost of one drawing sheet be denoted by Rs Y. Algebraically, the pair of equations formed can be written as: first, 3 times x plus 4 times y equals 36. And second, 6 times x plus 8 times y equal to 72. Geometrically, for plotting each of these equations, we need at least 2 points or solutions. Let us take some random points or solutions for plotting these lines. Here, both the variables can either be whole numbers or positive terminating decimals, as each represent an amount, in rupees. We can choose a random number value of x, that gives a value of y. Then, we plot the points on an xy graph and connect them in sequence with a line. We can even choose 0 for one variable, to get the other variable. As a general rule of thumb, the idea is to avoid non-terminating decimal number values for ease of plotting. For the first equation, y equals 36 minus 3x by 4, when x is 0, y is 9. When x is 4, y is 6. When x is 8, y is 3. When x is 12, y is 0. Similarly, for the second equation, y equals 72 minus 6x by 8, when x is 0, y is 9. When x is 4, y is 6. When x is 8, y is 3. When x is 12, y is 0. So, the situation involving Naresh and Sonali can be represented geometrically by the graph as shown. It is interesting to note that lines' equations overlap one over the other. That is, both lines coincide and are equivalent. Please pause the video, rewind and play again to absorb what has been covered in the topic. Let us proceed now. Two lines are represented by the equations x plus 3y minus 6 equals to 0 and 2x plus 6y minus 30 equals 0. Represent this situation geometrically. Here, both the variables take values as whole numbers and positive terminating decimals. For the first equation, y6 minus x by 3, when x is 0, y is 2. When x is 6, y is 0. Similarly, for the second equation, y equals 30 minus 2x by 6, when x is 0, y is 5. When x is 6, y is 3. So, the situation for pair of lines can be represented geometrically by the graph as shown. Here, the two lines are parallel. That is, both lines are separated by a constant distance. In the 3 examples we have just covered, we have seen several situations which can be represented by a pair of linear equations. We have seen their algebraic and geometric representations. In the next few sections, we will discuss how these representations can be used to look for solutions of the pair of linear equations. Please pause the video, rewind and play again to absorb what has been covered in the topic. Let us proceed now.